What's going on? It's your boy Thorough Alexander from Hiking Life, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the KEA Stash, which is a compact bag to store your trash, and I'll also be doing a review of the KEA Water Straw, which is a water filter. Before we get to the review, here's a quick demonstration. Hey, what's going on? It's Thorough from Hiking Life, and today we're talking about the KEA Stash. So the KEA Stash is a compact bag for your trash. It has a liner on the inside. But I'm also going to show you what else you can use it for besides this trash. You can also fill it with water. So if you're out in the wild and you don't have a water container, you can easily use this to transport water. But there's more. Now that my bag is filled, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the KEA Straw. So this filters all the water, all the impurities out. And that's it. So let's talk about the KEA Stash. This is the packaging that it comes in. And this actually comes in two sizes. So you see the size that it comes in here. This is the larger size. And then it comes in a smaller size, which I have here. So when you get it, it comes with some cool stickers that you can put on your water container or wherever you like, bumper sticker. Comes with the instructions, of course. And it comes rolled up. Now, I like these straps because you can use these straps to carry it. You can also use these straps to attach it to your pack. And right here, you can easily hang this on a tree, your tent, anywhere you want to hang this. One thing I like about the KEA Stash is that it's very durable. So you would need to exhibit some type of force in order to put a hole through this bag. The bag is just that strong. Another thing that I like about this bag that I didn't talk about in the demonstration is that you can store food in this bag. It is smell proof, and it says it right here. So think about this. When you're in bear country, bears can smell up to 20 miles. So if you've ever camped in bear country before, you know storing your food is key. And not just your food, but your toiletries. This is the perfect bag for that. It has the technology and the durability in order for you to do that. So you can also not just trash, but you can store food, your toiletries, anything with scent. And once you have it in the bag, you can easily use the technique and you can hang this on a tree. A lot of people do that in the wild. But there's just more uses. You can also take this bag to go fishing. You can store fish inside this bag, and it will keep the smell trapped inside the bag. So you're not smelling fishy or anything like that. Overall, I think it's a great bag that KEA came out with. I'm not sure if there are any other bags like this out there on the market, but I would definitely recommend this bag, and I would also recommend it for the price point that they have on the website. Now we're going to talk about the KEA Water Straw. So this is actually my personal water straw. As you can see, I have the extension right here. So when you get this stuff, this is the packaging, the actual packaging it comes with. Comes with the instructions, everything that you need to know about it. How to care for it, the maintenance, things like that. It comes in a cool tote bag. It also comes with a cap that you see here that you can fix to the piece here. Okay. And it also comes with the extension straw that you see here. One thing I like about the extension straw is that if you're in the wild and let's say you come up to a river or something like that, the extension straw allows you to just drink from the source, right? You don't have to get down on your knees and try to drink from just this. So that's pretty smart. And this filters out 99.99% of all the bacteria and the germs. And a lot of times we don't even think about this stuff, but there are a lot of hidden dangers in rivers, lakes, etc., etc., etc. Sometimes it could be algae in there that's very poisonous. It could also be feces and stuff like that from animals that are washing downstream. So this is a very good thing to have, and it's also a lifesaver. This device could save your life. And it's so easy, a caveman can do it. All you do is you put this in the water like this, and you drink. It's just that simple. So great job on designing this product, KEA. I think this is a good straw that everybody should have, especially if you're gonna be in the backcountry and it's gonna be hot, or you're going backpacking and you don't want to lug around tons of water. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. It's your boy Thorough Alexander signing out. Peace.